Right now, a shift is happening in the world of computing that most people are completely missing. For decades, we were told that if you wanted real power, the kind of power that renders 8K video, compiles millions of lines of code, or trains complex AI models, you needed a tower. A massive, power-hungry, heat-spewing box under your desk. But as we sit here in 2026, Apple is about to take that entire concept and throw it out the window. Welcome to the era of the Mac Mini M5. If you thought the M4 redesign was the peak, you weren't paying attention. The M5 isn't just a spec bump. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It is a fundamental rewrite of what a small computer can do. We are talking about a device the size of a sandwich that is currently benchmarking higher than the Mac Pro from just a few years ago. There are leaks coming out of TSMC and Apple's secret testing labs in Cupertino that should make every PC builder and every tech enthusiast stop what they're doing. From the revolutionary 3nm N3P process to the secret SoIC packaging that solves the heat problem once and for all, the M5 is Apple's most aggressive play for the desktop market in history. Why is Apple skipping certain upgrades? Why is the M5 Pro being called a Mac Studio killer by industry insiders? And most importantly, why should you absolutely not buy a Mac Mini M4 today? We are breaking down the absolute truth behind the M5, the release timeline, and the secret specs that Apple doesn't want you to know yet. The architecture. Silicon magic. Let's get technical for a second, because this is where the M5 wins. The jump from M4 to M5 is the first time Apple is using the third-generation 3nm process. In plain English, they are cramming more transistors into the same tiny space than ever before. But it's not just about more transistors, it's about how they talk to each other. The M5 features a new neural accelerator integrated into every single GPU core. This isn't just a marketing buzzword. This is a hardware-level change designed to run Apple Intelligence and large language models locally on your desk without ever touching the cloud. Imagine a Siri that actually works. A Siri that can browse your files, edit your photos, and organize your entire life in real time because it has the raw horsepower of the M5's upgraded neural engine. We are looking at a 3.5x jump in AI performance compared to the M4. That is not an iteration, that is a generational leap. The GPU revolution. Gaming on a Mini? For years, the Mac Mini was the office computer. You used it for emails, spreadsheets, and maybe some light Photoshop. But the M5 is changing the narrative. The M5's GPU architecture is rumored to be 45% faster than the M4. For the first time, we are seeing hardware-accelerated ray tracing that actually rivals dedicated NVIDIA cards in the mid-range. People in the US are obsessed with the one-cable setup. They want a clean desk, a single monitor, and a tiny box that can handle Cyberpunk 2077 or Death Stranding at 60 frames per second. The M5 is the first Mac Mini that makes this a reality for the average consumer. Apple is working behind the scenes with Game Porting Toolkit 3.0 to ensure that when the M5 drops, the library of AAA games drops with it. If you are a creator, this is your dream. The M5 Pro variant is expected to support up to 36K Pro Display XDRs,